Contemplate all that I see. Falling asleep in your arms, knowing by morning you'll leave. Was gonna give you everything. Was gonna give you me. Was gonna make you everything. But you didn't want me. You didn't want me. Watching the hours go by, wondering how you could see. Lying awake in the dark, knowing by morning you'll leave. Was gonna give you everything. You didn't want me.
Bruh.
Hey traders, what's up? Welcome to episode 723 of the show. You could be doing anything. So yeah, the stream I guess has Bitcoin in it. Yeah, I guess we can get a Bitcoin first. Sorry, man. Just looking at an asset that hasn't moved, since the daily candle closed 3 hours ago or so. And if you haven't been here, Bitcoin's been in a correction for over 100 days. And as you can see, the downtrend, the buying climax, it all started June 26th of this year. We've gotten as low as 76.84 since that 13,860 high, 52-week high. Last time we'd seen that price was all the way back to January 2018 on the way down. So good to see a really good move up, but unfortunately what has to happen after you have big moves like this for an extended amount of time, you have to correct. Corrections are not events. It is a process, and it takes time. Oh yeah, the beats, man. We got the sick, fat, stupid beats. Best for relaxing, chilling out. The soft mix. Whatever, man. Hold on, I gotta turn my TV on. Hold on a sec. Okay, we're good. That was tough. Took a lot of work to do that. Mitchception. I don't think anyone even knows what that is. Okay. I don't even know what Mitchception is. I mean, we can do it. I can just pull up one of my last streams and there's multiple me's on the stream, right? So, yeah, I just thought about just scanning some charts tonight, whatever. Assets over 1 million volume traded. And just hanging out, man. Just relaxing, drinking beers. Who cares? So the futures, at least on the S&P E-mini futures, 2,990, still not at all-time highs yet. $30 away or something, very close. Dang, dude. The Commerce Department had a report today that said that retail sales in the U.S. For the first time in 7 months, they have begun to decline. So now, like the CME and other, entities believe that there's now like a 90% chance that at the Fed meeting October 30th and 31st, boo, scary, they believe that there's going to be another rate cut, a third consecutive rate cut. We're talking 3 interest rate cuts in 3 months. Talking about easing, hardcore parkour. Wow. So what does that mean? No matter what kind of technicals exist on the charts, any kind of weekly bearish divergence, it may not matter at all. I mean, dude, when the Fed and the presidential administration are bent, they're literally hell bent on making sure this stock market, the S&P 500, is propped up and continues to rise, there's a good chance it's gonna do that. While there's at least positive interest rates. As you know, a lot of the world is A lot of the Western world is actually at negative interest rates, which is insane. Doesn't even make sense, man. Doesn't even make sense. So, I posted on Twitter that the S&P, the SPX, was showing bearish divergence in the weekly, showing a rising wedge. It pivoted at that upsloping support and has begun to rally pretty hard.
Well, goddamn. Happy birthday, brother.
Bruh.
Joey Burkle, thanks for the $10 contribution. And it just depends where you are, for sure, around the world, whether it's my birthday yet or not. It's not my birthday for me, literally where I live, until 1 hour and 46 minutes. If you're on the East Coast, it's treating it like New Year's. It's in 46 minutes, 47 minutes. All right. So that's it, man. Oh, excuse me. So yeah, man. I mean, I guess we can just look at the elephant in the room. We've been talking about not looking at. Look here, listen. But I guess the S&P 500 E-mini futures could be the look here, listen asset of the night.
Look here! Look, listen!
Sponsored by Nutella or something. Okay. Here it is, man. All right. You can look at this many ways if you wish. You can say, oh, it is a rising. No, it's an upsloping flag. It's a channel, right? Which I could see. Jeez. Or you could say it is a symmetrical triangle. Some people could have the gall or audacity to decree that this is some sort of ascending triangle, even though there is a very, very minute amount of distribution at the top. Rising, but not higher highs. Not yet, but we do know, in fact, higher lows. So with the higher lows, you got the accumulation. Beginning to leg up, meaning, what is that? When you leg up like that, the amount of people that are getting into a particular asset on a chart is elevating. The angle of ascent is becoming steeper, chat.
Bruh, bruh, bruh.
Okay, so do you understand? That means look how much room there is left between the new accumulation level and that very minute amount of distribution, man. Very, not much. Nearing the apex. Apex around $3,000. I guess it'd be near Christmas time of this year if we ever stayed within.
Bruh.
Just stepped off a plane in London and it's your birthday. Cheers.
Boston Aloha, not Boston Alpha. Wow, dude. It could have been either. Thank you so much, dude, for the Verge Connect contribution. Thank you, dude. Thanks. Yeah, I guess it is over there. Definitely is over there. For sure. It's been my birthday for 14 hours off the east coast of Australia. Good day, mate. So, what happens if you break out? Well, we already have plotted from your previous high to low. The 1272 fib extension, 3099. The 1414, 3135. The golden mean ratio, the 1618, way up yonder, 3187. Holy crap. Remember, the powers that be, the strongest powers that exist, are doing literally everything they can to get us to new all-time highs. It is a big deal. The sentiment must remain bullish. It cannot go through a recession right now because the president needs to get reelected. Holy crap. Already a lot of signs in the world that the economy is slowing down. And again today with retail numbers declining for the first time in 7 months. These are leading indicators. So guess what? We got to cut rates again and again and again to get this up another 2%, right? Hey, all-time highs, dumpage. All-time highs, January 2018. All right, let's go to September 2018. 2% rise. All right, time to correct 20% or something. Let's rise again. V-shaped recovery. Emotionalism is what drives V-shaped recoveries. And then 2% gains on your previous all-time highs. So will the next gains, next all-time highs we get be another 2% gain? Like 3,100 or so? Maybe. Did extensions say maybe? Yeah, probably. Oh no, man. Not synthetics, man. Synthetics, dude. It's the future. It's gonna overtake Bitcoin, man. Of course. S&P, not S&P. You could say S&P, like cookies and cream, whatever, you know? Yeah, sure. Anyway. Time for me to do my thing, dude. Alright. Looking at an asset. It'd be like that. Pretty nice. Just not near as nice. I mean, just the heart line. 75 resistance, center resistance, resistance. 25. It's not bad. Look at you, dude. Yeah, that's it right there. Okay. But okay, so you're in a clear downtrend on Bank of New York Mellon Corporation. You've retraced probably 61% of the way, maybe a little bit deeper. Low to high. Well. 61% retrace, a little bit deeper. I mean, as you can see, your left shoulder, potential head, and right shoulder is at the 618. The head being slightly below. Okay, if that's the case. I mean, it's kind of scuffed, but not really. I mean, dude, that is not that bad. It's not that bad of a potential pattern. Do you see? Excuse me. Almost perfect. A little downsloping, which is fine. Almost perfect. Neckline of the potential inverse head and shoulders. Bad. A little bit of bullish convergence on the RSI, a low, slightly higher low with the right shoulder with high levels roll to strength.
Look here, listen. I wish you happy covers this weekend for your birthday. Happy birthday, man.
Bruh.
Jacob G, thanks for the $3.33. GE, thank you, dude. Much love. Yep, should be fun. I lucked out. Jim Lovett got a couple, him and his son, they got a couple extra tickets to the Alabama-Tennessee game, so I'll be going to that 50-yard line. It'd be great. If you don't know who Jim Lovett is, just Google him, Wikipedia him. He's a record-setting quarterback at Samford University, where my dad played football. A former teammate of my dad when he played at Samford, and it's going to be a fun game. Third weekend in October. I was born on a Saturday, 1987. The doctor was rushing to deliver me so he could go to the Alabama-Tennessee game, the one that is coming up this weekend. And we ended up winning, beating them down so hard. It's been the moment of my life. Okay, so there it is, chat. Clear as day on Bank of New York Mellon Corporation. Will the inverse head and shoulders be enough to reverse this overall correction we've been on? Or will it eventually just get down to the deep levels, the the $38 area, which is the 78.6% retrace, the 35 area of 88%. Very interesting, right? Things to think about. Extremely bullish trend, but you're correcting right now. And these are areas where you very well could reverse. Bullish pattern at the bottom of the golden retrace. With at one point bullish divergence, and it has now shifted into bullish convergence, which is what you're looking for. What are you talking about, Ray? What are you talking about, man? I'm just here to talk about XRP, okay? Screw your divergence into convergence. There it is. Pretty good stuff on BK, man. BK Connect. All right, man. That was nice. Sorry. Well, of course, TK. That's certainly what one should do. Kappa, please. Kappa. One spinning Kappa. For the record, for the judge, if anything ever happens. Just kidding. See, I don't know why I would care about an asset that's already gone to the moon. All right. Maybe for a short opportunity, but oh my God! What the? Holy crap! SNX, dude. When did I look at this? When did we plot this? When did we chart this? Somebody, please. Oh my God.
That boy is good.
Wow. 78% retrace. This is an ungodly perfect Gartley, dude. What happened? What the F happened? Jesus. Blarg derp. When did we look at this? When did we look here?
Look here! Look, listen!
Oh my God, it's beautiful. $61.8% retrace, closed above it today. Highest high we had seen since June of 2018. Holy crap, that's beautiful, man. I'm sorry. That's just... I am overcome with emotions, dude. Extremely. Oh my God. Anyway, so whatever we want to do, we can move over. This is one of those I don't know if we care about it. Don't think we should care too much. Holy crap. Someone in the Discord said they made $9,000 off that trade. Let's go. Let's go. Well, it was a fantastic setup. It reminds me of Sprint. Reminds me of AT&T. No, not AT&T as much. Actually, I mean Momo should break out, but reminds me like TripAdvisor. So someone's like, "Can you look at Stars Group Incorporated? The Stars Group Incorporated? What is this, like Ohio State? Give me a break, man. Ooh, holier than thou. It's not a Stars Group. It's the Stars Group, chat. Do you see it up here?
Bruh.
Unbelievable. So from that low point in January 2016 to high point June 2018, look where you sold off. You went 88% of the way before what? Before what? Before on a low to a lower low. Look at this, man. Doesn't matter where it is. Any one of these lows, you're making higher levels. A relative strength right there. So So divergence developing at an 88% retrace. You ran up and then you flagged, and then I don't even know what happened. Something just occurred. Well, I don't know if I don't think it was earnings. No, definitely not earnings. Okay. Earnings, you actually, I think you sold off, then began to rally after hitting an 88% retrace, and then you bullishly flagged, and you gapped up, and you're just hanging out up here. Just hanging out. Wow. Don't know if it's a harmonic, potential harmonic, or anything like that. Holy crap, dude.
If you feel there is nothing else to do, if you think no one's here for you, turn your head and look at us, because by your side we'll be there, trust. This hype is for you, my brother.
Dude, Logan, man. Kang Logan. Hold on, man. Turn your head and look at us. Thanks, dude. Thank you for the hype. Thank you for the Leroy's.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Thank you, dude, for the $81.58. Dang, dude, did they get you? Did they get you on the fees? Like oh, yeah, I saw the 58, right? 81.58 for Probst. But, you know, the 88.88. I knew it was going to be hard to gauge, but did they really take that much? Dude, that's wild. No way. I don't believe it. Hype in the chat, though. Hype in the chat for Kang Logan. Cheers, dude. I'll drink to that. Are you crazy? I mean, remember, like, are you short like up here at $20 or something? For me, like, I get maybe why, just because of the gap up, but like, remember, like, how it all started: a low, a higher low, a high, a higher low, higher highs, higher lows. The trend is not necessarily bearish, okay? I'm just saying, and you going short up here on a gap up, though understand the mentality of it, there is no argument based on technical analysis why you went short, because clearly you didn't go short because of daily bearish divergence, which I think was impossible with this kind of move up. Maybe a gap fills, sure, but that's a lot of volume. Is this a breakaway gap? I don't know the context of the gap, okay? And that might be this definitely got to be some sort of fundamental reason why it gapped up like that. I don't know why. You'd have to research that. So this is not crypto where it's just derp. Derpa, it's just crypto, man. It's like one thing, you know, maybe this asset, it's like, hey man, now we're doing something different. We have a new growth prospect. We've cut jobs, so we're gonna make our bottom line's gonna be lower. You know, like whatever it is, gap ups happen. I don't know why. It wasn't earnings. Oh, it's getting hot, man. Getting real hot in here. Man, I'm not gonna take off all my clothes. What's up, J Mode man? Kogan. It's Kogan, not Kang Logan anymore. Sorry. So I don't know, man, if you could say it's maybe a potential harmonic. It might be a potential harmonic. It doesn't really matter. Nah, not even at 38% retrace. Give me a break, dude. Get it out of here. I don't even know structurally, like what it is. You know, like 1 and 2, and then 3. If that's the case, if you plot it like that, you up thrusted and you failed to break out, and you're like back kind of inside the channel. What does that mean? Yeah, maybe there's a chance you could sell off again. That's the only thing I kind of see, right? That's it, dude. So if you're short, okay, you might have a slightly higher percentage chance of being right than the long. And the gap up.
Happy B-Day, Mitch. If you have cake, find a wedge with a big green candle.
Bruh.
Brett, man, thanks for the $10 contribution and the birthday wishes. Appreciate it. If I have a big wedge, Give it what? If you have K, find a wedge with a big green candle. Is it sexual, dude? Not sure anymore.
Is that a joint?
Too many sexual.
Happy birthday. Thanks for
GTS.
all your hard work day after day. Cheers. Clinking beer mugs.
Crypto Hippie, thanks for the 420 contribution. Much love. Not over there quite yet. Y'all hear the birds chirping? What the? Oh yeah. This is no longer Hans and Franz Radio. This is the San Francisco Bay Area's rendition of the breakdancing Jesus Man or something. I don't know, man. The music's just different right now. So don't quote that. Thanks. Oh boy. I think we're okay. We're okay, man. Logan, do you get what I'm saying? When I said that, dude. Dude, I can't get the audio levels like accurate. It's like broken. Ooh, might have it now. It's weird to law, man. Don't be scared, dude. Okay. Well, that's what's gonna happen when I sound like I'm at 2 times the speed of my normal pace of speaking, dude. All right. Okay. Let us. Now let me make sure I didn't forget anything. Now we're good. Okay, so interesting. Retail ETF. Ooh, I like it. I like farm products. ADM. What's the volume on that? Oh, it's like 2.8 or something. Oh my goodness, man. Look here, listen. Support. Oh my god, it's the back test of a spring. What? Though it could fail, obviously. Of course. Of course it could fail. No one's arguing with that at all. But Wyckoff be danged. Wyckoff be danged here. Where you can see clearly back from June of 2016, November 2017, my God, December 2018, May of 2019, you fell out of it. Oh, goodness gracious, you fell out. You were screwed. Just couldn't make it happen. And you rallied, and then you sold off after the rally, and then you back tested the area that was once support. It has now become support again. ADM Connect. And what could be developing in the midst of the ADM Connects? You get it. Some sort of inverse head and shoulder connect. Though you may not be down at the level you want to be. Maybe 3780. Maybe we sell up once more and then get down at 3780 or 3770. Whatever this level is at the bottom, like that's like the lowest risk area for an entry for one of these potential trades. Hype, dude. Check the oscillators out. Bullish convergence connect going on both oscillators. Okay, good. There was no real divergence. It was kind of awful. There was no impending price action reversal here. So this move up was like maybe on the 4 hour or something. Maybe like kind of short term daily divergence got you like RSI here and here. Like a double bottom. But either way, I mean, it's like, yeah, the convergence connects there. Higher lows and much lower levels The volume is pretty good too. Like the sell-off, the volume recedes. Yeah, and you're really close to that 200 moving average. And let's see how deep the retrace was. Let's do this too. Look here, listen. Low connect to high connect. Yeah, we're going there. Hey, you didn't even get the 786. Wow. 3464. But you're creating this pattern where same place we saw before on BK Connect, I think, where 618 is the support. You fall below it, and now you're back testing it as support again. What? Golden retrace. So you're saying there's a chance. Yes, there's certainly a chance that an asset like this could at least, if anything, even if it failed, could run all the way back up to 4350 before breaking the neckline whenever or if it ever does to confirm itself as a real valid pattern. The measure 100% measure moves on 49.45. ADM Connect. Let's go. Marco Rivera, are you kidding me, man? Let's go. Oh my God.
Is that a joint?
Bruh.
Look here! Look, listen!
Marco Rivera's hits $100. Happy birthday, Mitch.
Thank you, Marco, dude. Holy crap for the hundo, dudes. Thank you, man. I saw you asked about a static today. I'm like, you know what, man? Let's muster up a 16-minute static, dude, for Marco Rivera. Okay. We put it in the oven. We let it cook. Came out pretty nice, man. Not bad. Thank you, dude. Holy crap. C-note, chat. Marco throws it down. Hardcore. Hype for him. Thank you, dude. Wow. Very, very grateful. Might have to get another beer. I just have to get drunk tonight. Every night until the weekend's over or something at this point. Jeez. A falling wedge is a shorting opportunity? What, Brett? I don't understand. No, you're the man. Stop talking about yourself, Marco, dude. Stop. Okay, ADM Connect, add it to your watch list or be destroyed. Not bad. You from Midland, man? You from Midland, Lee? You trying to take away my football career? Only like maybe 1% of the entire audience would even get what I'm talking about, pop culture reference. You from Midland? Jeez, if anyone gets it, I won't even be able to believe it, dude. Kevin Cantrell, man, are you kidding me, man? Let's go. Look at Leroy's for anything. Cares, dude. Crap.
Kevin Cantrell tipped $20. Happy birthday, man.
Kevin, man, thanks for the 20, dude. Holy crap, man. Really, really appreciate it.
Is that a joint?
Any chance of a bounce around 62 after that rounded top on GM? And happy early birthday.
Friggin' Zoom, dude. Bankhead, thanks for the 420 contribution and the happy early birthday connects. It depends where you are. Okay, thank you, man. 2 times speed, I'm an auctioneer. That's it. Yeah, that's exactly it. All right, let's go to Zoom Connect. Because, gosh, dang it, dude. Couldn't catch a break on that one. What a joke. It like just gaps down out of the channel, but somehow holds on to that effing falling wedge bottom support. Like, I'm sick, dude. I'm like literally sick by this one. Okay. Look here, listen. All right, sorry, this is off. It's right here. Okay? This is off too. I don't know why I didn't save. Just unbelievable, man. And where is my channel? I don't know. I just know I'm pissed by this. Anyway. Where you once had I mean, I guess you're still diverging technically. Low, lower low, still lowest low, but now you're like building negative Momo. Right? So until I guess you break above the negative 0.53 point area of this oscillator, you're still making another tier of negative, or sorry, of bullish divergence. Come on with the clicks, dude. What the heck? Guess what? All-time lows on the RSI, 25.55. Marius, man, holy crap.
Bruh.
Keep
Bruh.
storing these XRPs, you can sell them on your next birthday.
Bruh.
Mic connect. What happened to my mic, dude? I don't know. I must have. I don't know why I muted my mic. I have no idea what just happened. I didn't hit my mic mute button. Sorry. You know something I just noticed for the first time, maybe ever, is on my Stream Deck. I'm gonna pull it up for you. Good God, dude. Look, I'm gonna pull it up. Dude, I have not changed this since I got a Stream Deck, and I think it's been like a year and a half, and I just noticed this. Dang. Let me zoom in here, okay? Look here, listen. Just look where the mic is. Oh, it's not gonna let me zoom in? Dude, really? I can't zoom in? That's not cool. I don't understand why I cannot zoom in. Oh, here we go. Look down. Look where it says title of the button. We're going to change this together. We're going to make a change in the grammatics. Connect. Here it is. Mute mice. After a year and a half, nearly 2 years, I'm going to just do this. It's done. We fixed it, chat. It says now mute mic, not mice. Wow. I like this. Turning music up. Don't do it because my voice goes up too.
Hello Mitch. I love your channel and TA. Can you look at SMG please? Happy birthday. Much respect.
Is that a joint?
SMG, isn't that a gun, dude? Are you sure you want to be looking at guns at a time like this, man? Cabo? I really do think it's a gun, though. Scott's Miracle-Gro company. Miracle-Gro, alright. Is this, what is it? Vegetation Connect or something? It looks like a bull flag or something. Oh my god. Wow. Let's go to the weekly. What a freaking run, dude. What a recovery, man. Since December, the whole stock market, right? It was like, yeah, we going too. We going back to all-time highs, barely. Jeez. Well, it's like anything you had, you broke out of, I think, right? Any kind of move up is all but done, right? You anchor this way. Maybe you anchor the other way. I don't know. So what if you anchor it like that? Yeah, I'm just messing around to see if the anchor points would work. 1 and 2 there. Probably not. See, I don't even know how it looks if you just anchor on this top. See here? And then you go down. Whoa, holy crap. That's not too bad. Where you did have the price action below the upslipping support, but you did have a V-shaped recovery right there, which a lot of assets did the same thing. And you ran almost all the way to the top of that channel again. It's okay. It's not like that great. Not great, not terrible, for sure. But either way, if we're just looking at the weekly and all that stuff, okay, great. Let's go to the daily. Let me just get out of this. Oh yeah, that's good right there. So if we're just looking at a daily now, we know we got a really strong uptrend, it seems, and a really insane rally. And yeah, I don't know how it's going to go for equities. I mean, it seems like it's set up really well for equities to have another boom, and maybe we reach our all-time highs in the pinnacle crescendo of this whole 10.5-year-long market cycle by late next year, November 2020. The bull pull bull flag connect. Low to high, 23%, strong. Shallow retrace, too much demand so far. Holy crap, dude, it's so insane. It's like a low to a lower low. You're actually showing bullish evidence on the MACD. Holy crap. So maybe you get one more sell-off, maybe, right? 1, 2, maybe you get one more, slightly lower low to the same low, and then you rally. It looks like a bull flag. That's it. I mean, remember though, you know, as someone who's looking to trade, that's a mighty fine impulse. That's a really shallow retrace. So a lot of people are going to say there's not that much value at a 23%. Hey, I'm not going to buy something that is only 23.6% on sale. Okay, maybe we might need a 38% sale. You know what this did, right? It filled a gap. Remember the gap down back in January of 2018, right? You filled it. You ran up and you finally filled it. It was up at like 106 or so. Filled it, and now you're selling off. And guess what? There's gap fill all the way down at 85.25. So dude, measure move at this asset to the upside would be insane. Okay, but don't even know if we can measure down here. It's too much. What I would probably do if you were looking for targets is not go by measure move, just go by your previous swing low to high, and you can get yourself a 1272 at 124.16. That'd be your first target if you did break the upside and you actually resoundingly broke above 110. You have to break above 110, hold above it before a rally to 124.16. Okay, these are your favorite extensions. 124, 131, and 142 is the golden mean ratio. Hype in the chat.
Bruh.
For Miracle-Gro Connect. Let's get those plants grown.
Is that a joint?
No, I'm not talking about Chronos Group. We're talking about actual literal weeds. It's not marijuanas. Oh yeah. I got you, man. Yeah, me too, Brett, man. Me too. I mean, it's all the makings of a varsity athlete. A downtrend, the bearish divergence on the daily and the weekly, the bearish cipher at the PCZ, near the top of the downsloping structure. Many coinciding variables that make it a viable potential trade, right? MPZ or MPC Connect, sorry. PCZ on the mind. Yeah, Steam does look like it might get worthless. Connect. NG, man.
Bruh.
Happy birthday, bro. Much love and appreciation for your consistent high quality content creation. Keep up the greatness. Stay blessed.
Dan G, man, thanks for the 20 friggin' dollars of the corn. No, not the corn. The bat. Since you looked at bat, we'll look at bat right now. How is it faring in these potentially harsh conditions? Ah, yes. Lots of volatility going on, man. To the upside and downside. It's almost candlestick mathematics, like a doji or spinning top right there. Alright, just red right now, 21.645 cents. Hey, calm down on the music over there. Just stop with the moaning. Did we stop the moaning, chat? Anyone? I can't even hear anymore. I can't even tell. I hear someone walking. Can't hear much more than that though, dude. Let's turn it up just to gain reference. Oh, let's go.
That boy is good.
Okay, we're good. Oh, someone's throwing the Glock. They are cocking the gun. Sounds like trying to be intimidating. Though you must do that. Do it for self-defense. Don't be a scrub. Holy crap. Jeez. So anyway, back to the US dollar. Hit the PCZ like literally to Jesus, man. And has risen. And has only hit the 236. It has not risen to prominence like to Jesus, man, who went all the way. We can't even see how high it went. That way. Alright. So BAT's way behind in that regard. And kind of only diverging a little bit. I mean, it's kind of making higher highs, but it's really struggling at the first fib node, the most shallow fib node, 23%. So maybe it sells off a little more, maybe it holds, but eventually you want to see it break to the next level, which is 28.5 cents. All right. Okay, man. Beer Connect. Been live now for 54 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Oh my god, man. Dang it, dude. What does this song sound like? Why does it seem so familiar? It's like an Eminem song or something. I don't know, man. Kind of freaking out. And now... Okay. Holy crap. Yeah, music was scary, man. It's okay. See, this isn't better, man. What's going on? I gotta get it together, dude. Like, what am I listening to, dude? This is not chill. Dude, I can't do it. I can't do the whole female just mumbling random words. It just doesn't work for me. Ever. I can deal with this. Jeez. Give me a break. Back connect. Someone's asking about Yex Connect. It's hanging in there, man. It's really trying to hang in there. Okay? It's still diverging on the oscillators. No matter what you want to say, it's still diverging. And it's still at the PCZ just right there. 786. Okay, you're there, man. And you're actually up. So what's the problem? Are you scared? Are you literally scared right now? You will be, as Yoda Connect would say. Okay, so just hang in there. Just keep monitoring it every day. If it falls below 1360 or so, yeah, you're screwed. It's over. Just you gotta be willing to pay a certain amount to see if the trade will play out. And that's what we call overhead if you're a trader. Overhead. The restaurant man, he needs to pay for his own food so he can sell it at a higher, amount, so he can make profit. Okay. I mean, revenue's one thing, but profit's another. You can have a lot of revenue, but if your overhead costs are too much, you won't make any profit. So you got to be able to know how to deal with that in business. And 3-to-1 is the sword of truth for the trader. 3-to-1. You only got to win, or 2-to-1, whatever. If you're a day trader, you only need to win 50% of your trades if you're 2-to-1. You only need to win 33% of your trades if you're 3-to-1. Reward to risk.
Is that a joint?
Happy birthday, Mitch. Could you please take a look at Algo/USDT?
Sure, Moz. Thanks for the 420, man. Good to see you again, dude. Yes. Gross. Just gross. Why is anyone looking at this crap? Oh my god, what am I supposed to do here? Algorand, not Decentrarand. No, it's all the same amount of data. Dang. I'm gonna sneeze, I think. Yeah. Okay, sorry. Crisis averted. Don't know what to tell you, man. I mean, like, what do you want? Hey, man, can you look at this asset for me? This asset that's been in existence since like June and has only gone straight down. But it might be diverging, man. I guess it was diverging on the oscillators, and look, it broke to the upside. It's doing what it's said it was gonna probably do. And pending price action, they're upside, and it's so pathetic, dude. It's so trash. So in downtrends, you can get divergence, but it can mean squat if the demand is just not there. There's nothing actually on the RSI. There's not. It's like bearish convergence, like scrubs. So yeah, look, impending price action reversal, fine. You broke to the upside, and that's it. That kind of price action is pathetic. It's doing nothing. What do you want me to do? You want me to try to plot some sort of Bukowski pattern? How about we just do this, man? Like, whatever. Onesie. I don't even know how to do it, okay? I have no idea how to do this crap. Dude, I don't even know. I don't even think you can do this. Okay, I'm trying to make this. It's like, it's the banana pattern, man. Dude, it's nothing. It's literally nothing. There's nothing I can do to save your soul in this situation, okay? I can't even make everything touch because it's terrible. It's not great. It is terrible. There it is, man. It's time to run to the upside, man. It's time to go. That's really, for that kind of daily divergence, this is terrible. Lack of demand. Has it even hit a 23% retrace? From the high point to low point? Nope, not even 23%. That's so bad.
Bruh.
I'm sorry. That sucks. Okay, maybe you'll get to 34 cents at some point, and then you can say it's a valid swing low, but for now, it's terrible. It's freaking terrible, man.
Is that a joint?
Happy birthday, Mitch. Get the beers ready. Let's go. Thanks for what you do.
Anderson got, what? Dang, dude, I never got another beer since I, wow, that's bad. Thank you, Anderson. Brother, is that a joint contribution? Much love, dude. Okay. Jack Black says, happy birthday and thanks for the past year. Learned a lot. Enjoy the community I've created with partners. Congrats. Thanks, Jack Black. Well, really appreciate your support and you know, being a part of this community with all of us, man. It's us. Thanks, dude. Congratulations, Bob, man. Interesting. You have a buddy who used to work for Yext. All right. Let's see it happen, dude. Okay. Thanks for the 200 people tuned in. Thanks for the 100 likes. Really appreciate it. Been live now for an hour and 2 minutes. If you're enjoying the live stream, hit the like button that below. So thanks so much. Here's that Marathon Petroleum Group trade that I entered a few days ago. And we're gonna see how it goes, man. We're gonna see. Sure thing, Brett. Absolutely. A lot of these assets are what useless S coins look like, because it's what they are. So what pattern is this, chat? Tell me true. What is it? What is it, man? Wow. Wow, this isn't bad at all. I dig this asset. I like it, man. Okay. That's right, it's a cipher, dude. It's a cipher. Dang, dude. So it's like, you know, I asked a question, 200 people here, and I got 2 people guessed. Literally 2 out of 200. I know the numbers aren't good, but dang, dude. Just trying to, you know, spike your mind, get you thinking a little bit. You knew the pattern. I guess you all knew it. Okay. Jesus. So just looking at an asset that I'm scanning. I really, really like it. I can't get it all on the screen. Kidding? Okay, so your range bound. A very large range from $40 and $75. Yeah. So you're on the down, downside. You got a channel maybe, but you also might be developing an inverse head and shoulders. Okay, this is $2 million plus volume traded every day. Oh my goodness. It's beautiful. Beautiful downtrend. You look at it, okay, you're range bound, huge range from 2010, all the way up to 2017. It's really from 07 to 2010. You're just staying within it no matter what. So you get it. You're on your way down. So what's the next step we would take looking at this particular situation? A very large range with a clear, discernible downtrend that's been going on since January 2018. We're talking over a year and a half. Now use Fibonacci. We go from our lowest point to our highest point. And we have now determined that there's a 78% retrace. That's exactly where we decided to bounce. And maybe it's where we decided to create that pattern. Maybe. I'm talking about what pattern. It's kind of a scuffed, slanted inverse head and shoulders. We have one shoulder, one head, and one shoulder. It's almost beautiful. The low of the left shoulder in the exact amount of the right shoulder, 54.65 or so. Then you plot the trend line from one shoulder to the next. You've broken out actually. You actually broke the neckline on a gap up. All right. So you had it. The inverse head and shoulders and the very deep retraced downtrend, so deep that you went 78% of the way from your, again, August 2015 lows. So if you ever hit a measured move here, it would certainly break you out of the downtrend, the very well established downtrend. And it could yield you a Momo shift breakout, which at that point we'd go from our high to low for retraces to the upside. Okay. So that's it, man. That's EWY. Dang, dude. Are you kidding me? Missed the boat on this one. Jeez. Commercial Metals Corporation. Wow. Almost perfect. Come on, man. It's beautiful, though. It's friggin' beautiful. It's like the same situation, even though you had an impulse down. Wow. Big impulse down. So definitely been range bound, upsloping, channel of some sort. I'm just doing my thing, man. Big old channel here on CMC. Go to the upside. Oh, it's so fantastic. The channel you broke out of, you back tested as support before running, you sprung. Obviously, inverse head and shoulders is confirmed now. I mean, though you had a premature breakout, you did, in fact, eventually end up going to the, not moon, but you see it. You broke it. You're rallying. Get a very nice run up to at least the heart line of this, again, a very large channel. Not bad, man. Your target, I think it would be 22.27. Not bad, dude. There it is. Hype for that. All right. So, well, really appreciate y'all being here. It's been a good stream. Looked at some good assets today.
Happy birthday, brother, man.
Mr. Crypto Couple, thanks so much for the $10.04 contribution
Bruh.
of Bitcoin. Thank you. Much appreciated. Much love. Okay, so I don't know if that is Mr. Crypto Couple. I think it's the Crypto Couple, but just under a different. I don't know. Thank y'all. All right, and it's whatever, man.
Happy B-Day. East Coast Connect. Harmonic on Spotify daily.
Bruh.
Trader Schwab, thanks for the 1337. We can look at it. Thank you, dude. Spotify. Ooh, didn't even come close, man. I had that bull pole, like deep retrace flag. Didn't even come close, right? So, oh my God, harmonic. Yeah, certain cipher or something, maybe, but it might be too deep. Let me see here. Hit a 618 almost from the high to low. It got to a 68% retrace. 61.8, sorry. Thanks, Crypto Couple, and thanks again, Schwab, man. See, it's a little too deep, but close enough. Oh my God, 786. Wow, chat, Spotify. Oh my God, bullish divergence. I don't know if it's gonna play out. It's Spotify. Okay, I don't know how, dude. I don't know how Spotify is doing fundamentally. Nice divergence on the MACD, not the RSI. Maybe sell off one more time, and you end up getting RSI divergence on the tail end, and that would be stupendous. And then you might have a nice run to the upside. It's a very deep retrace, though. You're going to be conservative if that was the low. If it was, which I don't know. Very simple. All right, you could just go conservative as F here. Very conservative. You can just go 80% 618. That's it. It's that easy. Wow. 135, 141. Nice targets here. 116. Let's go. Spotify, dudes. Almost thought you said Shopify. Did someone ask about Shopify? Am I stupid? No, Spotify. Okay, good. The Crypto Couple is here. Oh my God. What's up, y'all? Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for turning in. Yeah, I was about to turn it in, man. I don't know. It's just everything's dead. It's like, dude, there's just not enough, to like go over 2 hours in a live stream. It's like I do the updates, normally like engagement keeps me going, man. And it's like, oh, stop complaining. It's like, I'm not complaining. I'm just telling you what makes me be able to live stream for more than an hour, right? Is like people chatting.
3.6. Not great, not terrible. Much pre birthday happy for you comrade taast with cranberry yet cast to long life time and more celebrations of birth.
Wow, Wayne Batson, thanks for the 3.6 roll. Not great, not terrible. Thank you, comrade. And the Yadkas Connect. Thank you. Wow. That's quite the contribution. Don't know what to say to that. I do have to turn on the air conditioning. If I'm gonna stay on for a little bit longer. Hold on. Jeez, man. Give me a sec. Sorry. What do I think about impeachment? I don't think it's going to happen. Okay, I think it's a bunch of bull crap. I think it's a bunch of entitled, scrubby, career politicians that got nothing better to do, okay, that are butthurt their candidate lost. That's what I think about impeachment, man. I think it's bull crap, okay? It's not going to affect anything because it's not going to happen. That's my thought on it, okay? But yeah, crypto couple. Slow crypto energy times again. Energy follows Bitcoin price. Certainly. BAT can be up 40% or so from the entry of a PCZ of a bullish BAT pattern. No one cares. XRP can be up 40% from its lowest wick to where it is now or where its pinnacle was of this little rally. 40%. Volatility exists in crypto, but you must look for it. But the problem is most people aren't looking for it. We try to bring it to you, hand it to you on a silver platter every day on live stream, but people just don't care. So it's like, okay, fine, whatever. We'll deal with it. We got it. What am I doing again? So I got 50-yard line tickets to the Alabama-Tennessee game. I'm going to go to that with Jim Lovett, his son, and my dad. Jim Lovett is like a legendary quarterback at Sanford who broke a bunch of records. My dad, in his heyday, also broke records. His records have been broken since then, but yeah, going to hang out with the peoples. It's gonna be fun. Get extra tickets, so. I mean, this is nothing to do with partisanship or picking sides. It's all bullcrap, dude. It's like, just go find something else to do. Okay, just wait out your turn. If you hate one side so much, wait it out. The other side waited it out too for 8 years, so the other side's gonna wait it out, and the pendulum will swing, will swing back and forth. So work on yourself. Work on yourself. Anyway, can we not talk about politics? That'd be great, grand, wonderful. Let's look at harmonics. How wonderful are they? They're so good, man. How's Garmin Connect doing? Garmin's just hanging in there, dude.
While we have not been friends for long, but I promise you this, we will be friends for years to come. When you dig deep enough, you will find treasure. All you have to do is one more attempt.
Craig ILG, thanks man for the 690 contribution. The Verge in the jar. Very cool. It's true. It's also when you feel like you can't dig anymore, dig deep, right? When you feel like you can't go anymore, dig deep. Bear Bryant said that, man. So I feel you on the digging, dude. Yeah, eventually you'll find treasure. All you gotta do is one more attempt, one more failure. So thanks, man. The 690 and the words of encouragement. So this one's odd. This one's not near as good as NPC per se, right? Like directly, that's what per se means, directly. And I say that because this is clearly in an uptrend. The downtrend hasn't really ended too much, and if it did, you've already, I think, broken out, right? 1 and 2. All right, so what does that mean? If you're at the PCZ of a bearish pattern, guess what? You're starting to be bullishly engulfed today. Okay, and again, a bear trend, a bearish pattern is what you're looking for. A bullish trend, a bullish pattern is what you're looking for. You have higher chance of being right in that situation, okay? Just chilling at the PCZ. Yeah, I don't like how it is overall on an uptrend, and even if it was in a downtrend, it's already out of it. Okay, and it was a bull pull bull flag. Bitcoin 79.71. It just can't get back above 8,000. Chat, you are screwed if you care about Bitcoin, which I've learned not many people do anymore. Well, not compared to this summer. Jesus, dude. I'm trying to get the music right. Probably better change it up too. Like whatever. Excuse me. Everyone calm down. It's gonna be fine. Okay? I don't even know anymore, man. Really. It's all like blah. Thanks, Tyler and man, for watching and giving me a chance, dudes. Every one of you had to give me a chance, so. Sure, Landcap, sure. Bitcoin breakout imminent, man. Oh yeah, is that true? You could say that at any time during the day and it's gonna be true. Oh, let's look at Fizz Connect. Ooh, Fizz Connect. It hit a critical ice line. Support. When it hit the support, what was it doing? It's showing bullish divergence connect on the oscillators. Heck yeah, after hitting a measured move of the double top. Give me a break. Since then, it's been on a rally. It's been looking good. Looking here, listening. It's up a lot, man. It's up from the entry, 38.82. It's at 48.36. Come on, dude. Like, what do you even want? Can you look at this asset? Can you look at this asset? We look at them. We listen. Some are good potential trades and some aren't. This one was decent. This one had been beaten down so hard. And it may not be over, right? This thing could run up, hit a fib node, and then dump again. What's happening? I thought this was like a mainstream song. I'm like, what's that? Dude, what is this? Sorry. Okay, I'm going back to scanning. What's the point? What are we even doing? Okay. I'm going back to scanning. Let's see, until Targa. Okay, so CLB. I don't know what this is gonna look like. Yeah, I don't like this one very much. This is gross. You can make the argument it's a wedge or something. I don't know, dude. It's awful. Oh, dude. Ooh, I like the retrace though. 88% retrace right here. You probably hit it or are below it. Oh my god, you hit it or are below it. Really scrubby, man. Super deep retrace back from 2008, man. I mean, give me a break. That's a stupid deep retrace. Look at this bearish range you were in. Like, this is what, like, why on Bitcoin, you can't be that optimistic. I mean, like, I get it. Like, impulse down, then you go sideways from 2015 all the way to 2018, and then you finally break it. Because remember, the impulse was down, so the trend, it's a no trend, it's a bearish rectangle. It'd be a bullish rectangle if it was like this, or impulse up sideways for years and then broke the upside. So I don't know what the heck this is, dudes. I really don't know. It'd be like 1 and 2, but then you adjust. You just have to keep adjusting because it's so scrubby. 1 and 2 now. Oh, is a wedge forming now? Like, whatever, I guess. I guess an effing wedge is forming if you plot like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's not even 5 touch points if you can't include these 2 touches. So maybe it's wedging. Maybe it's wedging at the 886. Maybe, dude. Maybe things are coming. Look, low on price, low on price. What are you doing? You're showing bullish divergence on the RSI. Give me an effing break. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Low. We'll see. Where is it? Low. Okay, low, higher, low. All right, so I guess you were showing divergence, and now you're showing convergence connect. What's he talking about? Convergence connect. What is he talking about? Connect. If you don't get it, you can get out. There it is. Bullish divergence into convergence with a higher low. So it's not an inverse head and shoulders per se, but it sure as heck looks like it might be developing falling wedge, man. Okay. Okay. Just chill. Do we get what's going on here? Man, maybe we look at the weekly. Maybe the weekly is going to show us something even better. Oh my god. Kind of. Low on price. Low on price. It's like about the same. Dude, it's like kind of diverging on both oscillators. Huge dump. Look at the wedges developing on the weekly. You can see it. Clear as week. Clear as week. No cap. Beautiful. Look at that range. It's so nice, dude. Been live for an hour and a half. Thanks so much for being here. Just hanging out, looking at different assets. Trying to keep the vibe alive during these times where Bitcoin doesn't show any volatility. Okay, trying to keep you interested, but failing miserably. All right, I just running out of things. Besides finding incredible trade setups like on the stock market. Look at this. I mean, the opportunity is just, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Everywhere. Look at Party City, man. I remember this falling wedge, how it broke out. It's trying to run, but unfortunately, on this little run, it's showing extreme amounts of bearish divergence. So weak. Definitely looks like it wants to sell off here. Bad. Okay, so you know, man, hour and a half for a night stream, pretty good considering the circumstances. So thanks for the less than 200 people tuned in. Thanks so much for the contributions. Love the support tonight. Logan, man, thank you so much, dude, for that freaking 8158. Marius, thanks for 2850. Dan G, the 20. Mr. Crypto Couple, thanks for 1004. Craigology, Wayne Bass, Crypto Schwab, Anderson Rivera, Moz, Silver Giveaways, Kevin Cantrell, thanks for 20, man. Bankhead, Mark Rivera, thanks for the $100, man. Crypto Hippie, thanks for the 420. Brett, thanks for the 10. Jacob G, thanks for the 3s. Boston Aloha, thanks for 690. And Joey, thanks so much for the 10, dude. Y'all are amazing. I freaking love y'all. And thanks for the birthday wishes. Tomorrow will be the main day of birthdays, so it's all good, man. It's just another day. It's just another day. I'll be back, man, tomorrow. So thanks so much for watching. Till next time. Respect to the TA.